Okay, so this is filled with water and some borax, about like 2 teaspoons of borax. And you just want to mix it up. This is our activator. Okay.
Is it clumpy?
No.
A little bit. You want me to do it?
And then mix in your color. What if it stained your table? And then all you gotta do is just add in your activator. Oh, too much.
It's like ASMR.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay, ready? So you and then you can stretch it. You can swirl it.
Well, I'm not making any of those sounds. It's just sticking to my hand. Oh, whoa, it actually feels like
yours is so
interesting.
warm. Hey, yours is actually super nice.
Mm-hmm.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.